In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Asana. Removing a person from your Asana workspace or organization is something you will likely need to do whenever a teammate leaves the company, changes roles, or no longer needs access to specific projects. Doing this correctly is important for security and for keeping your workspace clean and organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll also give you a bit of context along the way so you understand what you're doing and why. First, make sure you're logged into Asana with an account that has admin or the appropriate permissions. Only people with the right level of access can remove members. Once you're logged in, look at the lower left corner of your Asana screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small profile photo, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Admin Console. This is where all the settings related to your workspace or organization are managed, including members, billing, and security. Click on Admin Console to open it. Inside the Admin Console, you'll see several tabs or sections, such as Members, Billing, and maybe Settings, depending on your plan. To remove someone, you'll need to be on the Members tab, which shows a list of all the people who currently have access. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the specific team member you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check you've selected the correct person, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. Once you've found the right person, look to the right side of their name. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take for that user. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Remove. When you click Remove, Asana may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this person, especially if they own projects or tasks. Review any prompts carefully before confirming. After you confirm, that user will be removed from your Asana workspace or organization, and they'll no longer have access to your projects and tasks. And that's all you need to do to remove someone from Asana.